This is your needle jet, or what's called a jet needle. And as you can see, if you look very close, there are 5 positions for the little tiny C-clip that it goes on. And what that does is raise or lower this needle in position in this little tiny... I'm going to see if I can do this. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to see if I can stick this in here. You can see where I'm doing this, okay? I'll just let that drop in there, okay? Okay. Now, the jet needle, or needle jet, is fully seated in the emulsion tube, which is this larger hexagon, and you can see the very tip of the jet. You can see, you can't see it right now? Alright, well, the very tip of the jet is sticking down through the valve, through the main jet, and is blocking it. As the throttle is raised from up here, and this is your carb slide, and this only controls one thing, and the amount of air that's allowed into the bike, okay, because it works up and down through here. It's a fine dance to figure out how much fuel you need for whatever engine you have for your given application. Also your height, your weight, your riding style, where you are in the world, elevation, things like that. And the jet needle, like everything else, and I'm going to take it out of here. Okay, I'm going to tip it over. The jet needle, normally people don't replace these. As far as, I don't mean replace them. What I mean is, in fact, this needle jet, or jet needle, is tapered in 3 areas. Your first third, your 2/3, and then up into here. All that tapering is done for a specific reason, to give you so much gas at so much throttle. These needles have, I don't know where it is because my eyes suck, but there is a number on these needles. No, you can see that right there. Okay, do you see right? My eyes aren't that good, but if you can see a 1/2 inch from this side going down, you can see where there is a ridge right there. That is one taper. And then if you go farther down, there is another taper right where the edge of my finger is, right here. You can get different jet needles, or needle jets, to fine-tune your carburetor, if you like to do that. But the problem that I find, mainly with guys riding and everything, is they don't know how a carburetor works. They're scared of it, and they figure if they take it apart, they're going to blow it up. And the only way that we're going to learn about these carburetors, and you're going to learn about making a big motor for yourself, we learn by doing. We don't learn by watching some old fuck's video like me and say, God, I wish I could do that. All right, I'm going to put this together, and, well, wait, the battery's going low.